Joanna Marie Pinky Pagaspas Webb, born June 11, 1970, is a Filipino broadcast journalist, television news anchor, and host. Best known for her work on CNN Philippines and Bilyonaryo News Channel as the anchor of the programs Balaton and The Source with Pinky Webb, both 2016 to 2024. And as an anchor for Agenda and On Point with Pinky Webb since 2024. She is the daughter of former Senator Freddie Webb and a sister of basketball coach Jason Webb, as well as Hubert Webb. Webb attended high school at Colegio San Agustin, where she was batchmates with Cris Aquino and Karen Davila. Webb studied at De La Salle University, where she initially took off psychology, then decided to shift to management. Webb also took up a few courses at UCLA and Cal State Long Beach on journalism for a semester. During her career days at ABC5 as a news advisory anchor, and she later joined to ABS-CBN. Webb was a first news anchor of ANC Primetime News 1999 to 2004 and Dateline Philippines 2000 to 2014, and also host of Amagang Kay Ganda 30, Exclusabong, Explosabong, Exposed TV Patrol Weekend. She was a radio co-anchor of Radio Patrol Balita Alas Cuatro and the radio commentary program Tom Balling Phelan at Webb on weekdays with Ted Phelan on DZMM. On May 9, 2015, the Philippine Star reported that Webb has resigned from ABS-CBN. Webb joined CNN Philippines in 2016. The network confirmed her move in a tweet. She debuted with CNN Philippines on April 4, 2016, as the first anchor of its Filipino language newscast, Balaton. On September 26, 2016, Webb named as a host for a new current affairs daily program titled The Source. In July 2024, 6 months after the closure of CNN Philippines, which was relaunched as News Watch Plus that same month, Webb joined the Bilyonaryo News Channel alongside former colleagues from ABS-CBN and CNN Philippines. She co-anchors the network's flagship newscast Agenda with veteran broadcast journalist Karina Sanchez, former ABS-CBN reporter Willard Chang, and actor Mateo Guidicelli. Webb also hosts the interview format program On Point with Pinky Webb. Pinky Webb recently said she will not keep it a secret if ever she settles down. She was previously dating her boyfriend, Eddie Manthano. They were even rumored to be married. However, she said there's no truth to reports that she secretly married former boyfriend. The two broke up after he decided to run for the second highest position in the country in May 2010 elections. His son, Luis Manthano, earlier belied news that his dad secretly married Webb. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 Vlogs.